हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आशा है आप सभी स्वस्थ होंगे। मैं बायोलॉजी में अपना नेक्स्ट टॉपिक बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन चैप्टर में बैक्टीरियोफेज पे दे रहा हूँ एंड वी विल डिस्क्राइब अबाउट T2 बैक्टीरियोफेज। T2 bacteriophage. Bacteriophage are viruses. Bacteriophages are viruses which parasite bacteria. They are discovered by Trott in 1915 and Deherelli in 1917. The viruses have all type of nucleic acid. The viruses have all types of nucleic acid. They are numbered T1 to T7. Numbered from T1 to T7. T2 bacteriophage is a banal virus. T2 bacteriophage is a banal virus. Which infect E. coli. The common bacterial commensal of human colon. E. coli, the common bacterial commensal of human colon. The shape is tadpole-like. With a head and tail. Head is icosahedral. With a size of 95 nanometer in length, 95 nanometer in length and 65 nanometer width. There are 20 triangular facets. There are 20 triangular facets and 12 vertices. And 12 vertices. Head has a protein cover. Head has a protein cover or capsid. The latter is made of 2000 subunits. 2000 subunits called capsomeres. Internally, the head encloses a highly folded double-stranded DNA. A highly folded double-stranded DNA. The total length of DNA is about the total length of DNA is about 1000 times the breadth of page. 1000 times the breadth of the page. It is 50 micrometer. It is 50 millimicron. It carries some 75 genes and carries 75 genes. In between the head and tail, in between the head and tail is present a connector. The connector has two parts. The connector has two parts, a neck and a collar. A neck and a collar. Neck is narrow while collar is broad. Neck is narrow, collar is broad. Collar possesses whiskers. Collar possesses whiskers. Tail is a tubular structure. Tail is a tubular structure. It is a 80 nanometer long. It is 80 nanometer long and 18 nanometer in diameter and 18 nanometer in diameter. There is a hollow core and covering a sheath. There is a hollow core and covering a acid. The core contains an enzyme. The core contain enzyme lysozyme. The sheath is contractile. The sheath is contractile. It is made up of. It is made up of 100 44 protein subunit. Protein subunits arranged in 24 rings. Arranged in 24 rings. Tail ends in a hexagonal basal plate. Tail ends in hexagonal basal plate or end plate. Plate or end plate. The corner of the basal plate have the corner of the basal plate have pegs or pins on the underside. On the underside and 130 into 2 nanometer and 130 into 2 nanometer long spikes. Long spikes or tail fibers. Friends, now we will see life cycle of bacteriophage. Life cycle of bacteriophage. Bacteriophage possess two types of life cycle. Possess two types of life cycle, lytic and lysogenic. First one is lytic and second is lysogenic. We will see lytic life cycle. Lytic life cycle. It is a life cycle in which it is a life cycle in which the viral genome multiplies. The viral genome multiplies and helps in formation of number of virus particles. Number of virus particles which are released by which are released by lysis of bacterial wall. By lysis of bacterial wall. Lytic cycle has a number of steps. Lytic cycle has a number of steps which are grouped into 4 phases. Which are grouped into 4 phases, and these phases are infection phase, second one is eclipse phase, third one is maturation phase, and fourth is liberation phase. We will see first one is infection phase. It has 2 steps. Namely adsorption and penetration. First one is adsorption. It is the attachment of virus. Virus to the surface of bacterial cell wall. Adsorption occurs at a specific receptor site. Adsorption occurs at the specific receptor sites with the help of tail fiber. Are pages. Tail fibers take part in coming. In contact with specific receptor sites. It is called landing. Tail fiber now bend and bring the tail fiber bends and brings the basal plate in contact with the bacterial wall. In contact with the bacterial wall, it results in pinning or fixation of basal plate. Fixation of basal plate to the bacterial wall, by means of PEX. By means of PEX. Now we will see the second phase of infection phase, and that is penetration. Second steps of infection phase is penetration. Penetration. The tail pores lysozyme over the bacterial wall. Over the bacterial wall, it causes partial dissolution of wall. Causes partial dissolution of the wall. The tail sheath now contract. The tail sheath contract, and a part of tail is able to drill a hole mechanically. The contracted tail also causes the viral genome to pass. The viral genome to pass into the bacterial cell, through pores. Protein coat of virus. Protein coat of virus remains attached to the surface. Of the bacterial cell as a ghost. At the bacterial cell as a host. The next phase of lytic life cycle of bacteriophage is latent or eclipse phase. Latent or eclipse phase. It is phase of life cycle. It is phase of life cycle when viral components are not visible. When viral components are not visible inside the bacteria, inside the bacteria. DNA gene of bacteriophage. DNA gene of bacteriophage becomes active. It causes arrest of development of bacterial host. Causes arrest of bacterial growth, breakdown of bacterial nuclei, breakdown of bacterial nucleoid. The nucleoid of virus is not affected. The nucleoid of virus is not affected because it poses 5-hydromethyl cytosine. 5-hydromethyl cytosine. 5-HMC. 5-HMC. Changes occur in segments of segments of disrupted bacterial nuclei. Bacterial disrupted nucleoid which produce modified enzyme. The third stage of lytic life cycle of bacteriophage. Third stage of lytic life cycle of bacteriophage is vegetative or mature phase. Vegetative or mature phase. It has 3 steps. Replication of viral DNA. Replication of viral DNA. Second is formation of viral protein. formation of viral protein, and third is maturation of infective progeny. Maturation of infective progeny. Fourth phase of lattice cycle of bacteriophage is liberation phase. Liberation phase. Lysis and release. Lysis and release. As the new progeny of phage particle mature, as new progeny of particle mature, the host cell swells up. The host cell swells up and undergoes lysis. This releases the phages of the new progeny. This releases the phages of new progeny. So friends, we were looking about the lattice life cycle of bacteriophage, and in my next video link we will see about lysogenic life cycle of bacteriophage. So friends, please wait for my next video link. Thanks.